Hello, I am Dr. Robert Camp, and I will be teaching business statistics Wednesday nights for you this semester. Now, this first day is going to be asynchronous because of convocation and some other stuff that's going on. So I just wanted to record these videos to give you a brief introduction to how the class is going to run, what's going to be expected of you. I'm going to introduce myself more fully. I am going to walk you through Sakai, which is the program that we'll be using. It's the learning management system program that Providence uses that we will be using to submit assignments and to grab assignments from. And also showing you where some extra help in Sakai is in the form of some videos for the later topics that we're going to do. And then I'm going to have some lecture material this week on that first chapter where we're talking about the really basic statistical elements that we're going to use for the rest of the class. So with that, please watch all these videos this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. We can always get together via Zoom if you don't want to meet in the office, so we can talk about any issues. And I will see you in the second week of class live.